If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this shadow trading recap on a trade that we just entered tonight on the USD JPY pair here for a buy position. Held this position for an hour here. As you can see, leading up to the entry of our position here, I went ahead and made note of a well-established price action area. You can see a lot of long wick activity in that area, making for a good support or resistance based on the future confirmation of a trend passing through that zone. In the future there, you can see we had an uptrend passing through the zone, also breaching the center Bollinger Band, making for a confirmation of a strong bullish trend in the short term. Then I start to look for long wick activity to the downside or any type of weakness on a pushback. That is when I saw the long wick activity there touching the center Bollinger Band, and that is when I went ahead and entered with plenty of space for our in the money contract, which you can see the in the money contract is at the lower end of that price action zone that I recently had made note of before. Upon entry into this trade, I just keep an eye on the trade from here, looking to see of any potential breach or push to the downside to try and breach our support zone at this point, because we are in on a buy entry. Our point of entry with a well-established in the money contract, long wick activity bouncing from the center Bollinger Band, that was our confirmation for entry. The trend did hold well above our well-established in the money contract at the lower end of that price action zone, making for a very suitable support area for our trade overall. Throughout the hour, we see a stagnated trend overall, long wick activity to the upside and the downside, a non-factor here, a non-trend occurrence here, formulating a squeeze, which makes no difference to us. We just need to maintain above our well-established strike into expiration. Our position did expire with full profits, all the while maintaining above the center Bollinger Band as anticipated for a great trade overall. Full profits in the expiration with great odds on our favor. Cannot argue with that there. Just a brief recap of tonight's shadow trade that we had on the USD JPY pair there. I just want to bring you in and recap that. If you want to learn more about how to find these perfect storm trading scenarios for your own trades, be sure to check out the Informed Traders educational package, where you can take the same tips and tricks that I implement here in videos and trades like you see here, and use them on your own time by utilizing my multi-video series of how I break down finding these perfect storm trading scenario entries, making for more confident trade entries overall. Alternatively, I offer the shadow trading program where you can get in on trades just like you see here. As stated, this is straight out of the shadow trading program from tonight's session, where we did expire into expiration with a full profit in the conclusion of that trade. If all of that sounds interesting, guys, be sure to check out the resources in the description below. And with that being said, be sure to stay safe out there, like and subscribe for more content and other free tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together.